The time you give me. Hi everyone, welcome to our week 19 homework presentation. So I'm here to present problem number 16 with 9 quiz answers. So here we are asked to determine the cost assigning to any inventory and the cost of goods sales for the following, and also which method yields the highest net income. The highest net income. So here we are to find n inventories for specific identification, n inventory for weight average, and n inventory for FIFO, and n inventory for LIFO. So here I already put down here the n inventory for a specific identification. Like I said, specific identification, in order to find the n inventory, you need to calculate the cost of goods sales from here. Like the cost of goods sales from here, like 230, 500. And remember that 130 has been subtracted from 130 is still remaining from the last three purchase. So the remaining one, you just add them up together with your this thing, with your unit sales, unit cost per sales, like you will add them all with your unit cost, and then the total what will be 11,713. And then you use the 11,000 cost of goods sales, which is 11,713, to subtract it from the available sales, which is 13,325. And this is what we'll have as our end inventory. So to get the wages average, you do the same. The wages average, you will divide, you use 13,325, which is the available sales, to subtract it from the unit number, which is 3,330. And then you will have $4. So from the $4 that you have, you use it to multiply it um with the unit number that's been sold. That is, when you divide 3,330 from remaining 390 units, you have 2,940. Then from that 2,940, you use it, you multiply it by 4. So when you multiply the 4 by 2,940, you have 11,765 here. So now the end inventory will be the remaining unit number that is remaining, which is 390. So now you use that same $4, use 390 to multiply by that $4. So you will multiply 3,900, so 390 with $4. This is what we have as our end inventory, which is 1,560. Now we are now coming back to FIFO. Then to find the end inventory for FIFO, we'll first of all calculate the cost of goods sales. And the cost of goods sales here will be, since it is first in, first out, you first of all calculate the first in and first out, which is 330. Remember, a total cost of goods sales is 2,940. So when you add 2,300, add this, you add this, and then you add it to get the total you add oh God, you add this, and this to get the first cost of good that has been sold, and when you add them together and multiply by their unit cost, and then this is what you will have. You will be having 11,726, and then to get our end inventory, you use 11,726 to subtract it from 13,325, which is our available sales. So, and the total number that we have as our end inventory will be $1,599. So to get our last our last in first out. So you do the same thing by calculating the last in, which is 40,400. If we are using the last in, if the company is using the last in to sell, last in first out, first of all, calculate 4,400, 1,020, 1,140, and then you will now find out that 35 of this unit of March 7 purchase was also sold, which will add them together, and you will have 2,940. So you will multiply all of them with your unit cost. And when you multiply all of them with your unit cost, you will find out that our cost of goods sales for last in first out will be 11,989. And to get our end inventory, we use 11,989. So subtract it from $13,325. And when you do that, we will be having 306. So we'll now come here to find the one that that have the highest sales, that will give us the highest net income, which is first in, first out, will be the one to yield the highest net income. Please, I'm sorry if there is any discrepancy while doing the project, just because that there is no light and I'm still outside to do the thing. Thank you.